Hey guys, over 4 years ago I posted my first hair-related video. It was documenting my second hair transplant, and I decided I'm going to share this with the world and hopefully it helps people. I was expecting that was going to be the last ever hair-related video that I ever posted. That would be it, and it helped some people and then I'd move on. But it actually became the most popular hair transplant video for about 2 years on YouTube, and I started getting thousands of emails from guys all over the world who were asking me for help and asking more questions and asking me to make more videos about hair transplants and about things that they could do that would be positive for the life of their hair. One quick thing, at the end of this video I'm going to be telling you how you can win a free Hair Max 3-piece density conditioner, shampoo, and accelerate hair booster set. All you have to do is leave the correct comment, which I'll tell you at the end of the video, on my new channel, youtube.com/hairlosshope, and it'll be shipped to you wherever you are in the world. So I'm going to read you one email so I can give you an idea of the types of emails that I've gotten. This was actually just a week or so ago. These kind of emails just made me want to keep posting these videos. This is actually going to be one of the last ever videos about hair on this channel, but I'll get to that in a second. Hi David, my name is Scott. I'm 36 years old and live in Norman, Oklahoma. Anyway, I've been following your hair transplant videos on YouTube for a couple of years now and finally decided it was time to take the plunge and get my second hair transplant. I had my first procedure done at blank back in 2006. It wasn't good, but it was all I knew at the time. I took your advice and called Steve Cook. Steve is awesome. We talked for about an hour, and I scheduled my hair transplant procedure with Dr. McGrath. I had my procedure done last Friday, December 28th. I'm still in shock at how much better this experience was than my prior experience with blank. I'm also in shock at how many grafts they were able to fit into my areas that needed hair. I get now why it's called ultra density. First of all, Dr. McGrath is a total badass, and all of his technicians were amazing. He and Steve really went above and beyond for me, and it won't be forgotten. I'm already looking forward to my next and hopefully final procedure with them in 2020. Sorry to ramble on, but I just wanted to let you know that your videos helped me get the right information that I needed to pick the best doctor out there. Your videos help people like me change our lives for the better. Keep up the good work and keep making a positive impact on the world. So getting emails like this on a pretty regular basis made me want to continue making videos about hair. But I realized a couple of months ago that at this point I've uploaded almost as many videos about hair to this channel as I have videos about my music, and music is really my biggest passion in life and the whole reason that I started this channel, particularly making music that is somehow associated with my love of the Philippines and with Filipino people and Filipino language, and just creating with my friends over in Asia. So I realized that these two things, hair and the Philippines, though they're both things that I love because I feel it's able to help and inspire people, they're not really that related to each other. So I've decided that I'm not going to be posting very many, if any, more videos about hair on this channel. I've now started a new channel, youtube.com/hairlosshope, and there's a link in the video description. On that channel, I've already posted a bunch of new content all related to the most cutting edge ideas in hair, whether it's hair systems, hair replacement, topical hair solutions, different things to help, preventative treatments to help you keep from losing your hair, the best hair transplant doctors in the world, stories from patients and the things that have helped them, everything that I think will help you that's related to hair that can hopefully inspire you and offer you hair loss hope. I'm posting on that channel, so I would love for you to go subscribe now to that channel. And if you're at all interested in keeping your hair, go subscribe to that channel. In the meantime, I actually have a really cool giveaway. The other day, Hair Max, they're a great company that makes lots of different hair-related products. They wrote me and they said that they were just launching a new product and they would love for me to try it and they would love for my subscribers to try it. So they just mailed me some. It's a 3-piece set. It's called the Hair Max Density 3-piece set. And I've been using it this past couple of weeks, and it's been making my hair feel great. I'm not saying that it's grown any new hair. I don't think it could in a couple of weeks, even if that is possible, but it makes my hair feel incredible. I mean, just like super soft and fluffy and dense, and it's been really a great experience so far for me. So I wanted to give away some of this product to you, and that's what they offered. They said, we're going to give away 3 sets. And so here they are: this Stimulate Shampoo, Exhilarate Conditioner, and Accelerate Hair Booster. So I've been using these. They feel great, and I'd love for you to try them. And if you could document your progress, I would love to be able to post it to let all of my subscribers know on Hair Loss Hope whether this product helped them or not. That'd be great to know. Unfortunately with me, because most of the hair on top of my head is transplanted, it's really hard to tell whether this is making a difference as far as growth goes with my own hair, since I've already pretty much got what I've got, unless I get more hair transplanted. But with you, it could be a big help. So I would love to hear from you. All you have to do in order to win a set of this, I've got 3 sets to give away. They're going to mail it directly to you wherever you are in the world. All you have to do is go to youtube.com/hairlosshope and just leave a comment. I read every single comment. So what I want you to say is, I'm a subscriber, period. Congrats on your new channel, ! Leave that comment. I'm a subscriber, period. Congrats on your new channel, ! on any video on Hair Loss Hope. And I'm just going to pick 3 random comments that go up within the next week. And I'm going to have Hair Max send you guys some free product to try. Also, there's a link if you're just interested in buying this. It's in the video description, a link to this product. So I hope to see you at Hair Loss Hope, and I hope that my videos have helped you in some way.